Well, hello people, I'm just driving out here to Townley Hall Nature Reserve, about 2 miles west of the town of Drogheda, on the north side of the River Boyne, and I'm just going for a walk. Yep, it's a bit overcast today, has been showers. It's September, no, it's November. I don't even know what date it is. I know it's in the first week of November. It's not terrible, and today is a Monday. So yeah, just decided to go for a stroll. Well people, welcome to Townley Hall. There's a little loop around here, but I'm going to go to the end of this little loop here and on towards a little village of Tullyallen, on this way. Aren't autumn leaves just absolutely beautiful? Like, it's like golden coloured splendour. Actually, trees the whole year round are lovely, even, you know, coming into the spring, into the summertime, and they're kind of more green, but the autumn I think just beats all. It's just magnificent, isn't it? The colour is absolutely just brilliant. I mean, look at that there. Isn't that just fantastic? Well, what do you think of the walk so far? It's lovely, isn't it? This time of the year, when the leaves are changing colours, it's just magnificent, I have to say. Oh, look at this tree here, look at this. Isn't this just absolutely fantastic? I think it's a beech tree, I'm not too sure, but just look at the colour of this here. This is amazing. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Wow. Now, it's not just fabulous, isn't it? It's absolutely fabulous. Does your heart good, I have to say. Just keep coming, we'll keep going to walk here, all the way on this way. Tree branches after falling down, rotten on the inside. That would make great firewood, but you couldn't take that from the forest, you know, because even when it's dead, it's full of life, you know, insects and birds and fungi, you know, just great. So keep on wandering down along this trail here now. I was walking in the woods one day in the merry, merry month of November. Even though it's overcast and a little bit chilly and potential rain coming, it's still beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Get out in nature, my friends, get out in nature. It just does wonders for you, I have to say. It really does. Oh, look at that, isn't it? I don't know if the GoPro is picking this up. Just the colour there, look. On those trees there. Oh, this is just great. Great stuff, great stuff. It's not glass, look. I don't know if you can see the roadway just down there. That roadway is called, well, it's called the Glen because it's a glen, right? And it meanders through this little glen, or two hills each side of the road, up to a little village called Tullyallen, which is kind of no longer a little village in the country because there is numerous new housing developments surrounding the town, so it's turning into like lots of places in the east coast of Ireland, very populated. Wow, mad trees. I just love trees, love them. Wow, super cool, super cool. Isn't that a lovely pattern on the tree, look? And this one over here must be the same type of tree. It's probably a beech tree. Look, all the, it's not smooth, it's all edged, and a lovely kind of pattern up on the trunk of the tree. It's just great. It's great stuff, this, great stuff. Wow. Oh. Loving it, I'm loving it. Wow, haven't seen that now in trees out my way, but look at the green moss, whatever it is. Yeah, it's a green moss that's grown its way all the way, 3/4 ways up the tree. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, onwards again, across a little bridge here, little wooden bridge here. Right, so the little village of Tullyallen is just up there, but I'm not going up to it because we're in level 5 restrictions, and there's no cafes or restaurants open, so what's the point? So I'm going to heading back now, and I might take a little different detour on the way back, but it was lovely, lovely walk. Took my jacket off. I'm in the first week of November here, and look, in Ireland, and I'm walking around now with no jacket because I'm absolutely sweating. Very, very warm, which is lovely. I can see the sun setting over here in the west. Well, has a bit to go yet. It's let's see what time it is. It's 20 to 4. It'll be setting at about 4:30, maybe 5 o'clock, I think. So anyway, keep walking, that's the main thing. Right, Jesus saves, amen. Right, now this is my own personal thought on Jesus saves, amen, right? So don't criticize me or attack me or anything. It's my own personal viewpoint, right? Bullshit. Total bullshit. We all know in our one life, some people's their lives is cut short, some people live long lives, some people go through life pretty okay, some people have tremendous suffering and pain, physical pain, emotional pain, you name it, they have it, right? I had a friend, I was friends with this family, and the man got motor neuron disease, and I watched him fade away over 5 years and die and be cremated and put into an urn, and you lift out the thing and it's dust, and it's very, very hard to comprehend. I know that we're all made up of millions and millions and trillions of atoms and stuff, right? Atoms all around us on the earth, so we probably can't comprehend at a micro level. But anyway, having said all that, I was brought up in a real fundamentalist Catholic religion, drummed into us every day. So no matter what culture you are in the world, you have to remember that you're programmed from birth like a computer, right, to act a certain way and think a certain way. So I hope that people should start growing up, right, and start questioning everything. I mean everything. God is not Jesus, he's not Muhammad, he's not Hindu, he's not blah blah blah. God is, if you want to call it, God could be called cabbage, right? Is these trees here, me walking in this wood, the blue sky, the clouds, the birds, the lovely green fields, the sun 93 million miles away from Earth that gives us our light, the whole universe, the stars, that's God. But the idea that we're all going to, what would you say, transition to a better place after we die, where we are going to meet up with all our loved ones and stuff, to me is just total and utter poppycock. It's poppycock. It's a denial of the reality of life, which is, this is it. This is our one life here. We're not going on to some other great place. We came from a single bacterium cell, really, right? The Earth is 4.5 billion years old. The universe, we reckon, is 14 billion years old, and we did evolve. Regardless, we evolved, and yes, there's loads of lovely things in religion, fantastic things, lovely stories of hope and positivity, and, you know, be good to your neighbour. The 10 Commandments are excellent, and all that kind of thing. But my own personal opinion, no. I've come to that conclusion, and I've read and read and read and read, and I know people say, oh, you're a great reader. My own philosophy in reading is, the more I read, the less I know. So I'm open-minded to a certain degree, but actually the older I'm getting, I don't need God. And that may sound that's a horrible thing to say, but I don't need God. I don't need God. I'm not, you know, I'm going to die, and I won't be here anymore. And in the meantime, I have all this. I have all this to see and do. I've got things to do. I got family people that I, you know, people, company and stuff. So anyway, I'm getting carried away here, and just because of that sign I seen on the tree there, and they're entitled to their opinion, but don't shove it down my throat, and I won't shove my opinion down your throat. Okay, end of the little lecture, or a little rant, if you want to call it. Anyway, still enjoying this walk, and I'm going home for a nice cup of tea. A nice cup of tea. Right, check out the Dunnes Stores, girl, right? Dunnes Stores here in Ireland is a big food chain, supermarket chain. So, you know, there's carvings there. There's another one here, JOSH 2009, right? Now, the people who done this, and I can't talk because when I was younger I done the same myself. I carved my name on a tree across in the wood across my home, but instead of carving the poor little trees, hug the tree. Because why? Because the trees are all standing in the same position all their lives, through all the days, all the seasons, the bad weather, the wind, and they take in the carbon dioxide and and replenish the earth with lovely oxygen for us to breathe. So hug a tree. Don't go and carve your name on the tree. That's called tree vandalism, my friends. Tree vandalism. So don't do that. Be good to the trees. We need them. Alright people, I'm back from the Townley Hall walk here. Finished the loop here. That's where I started. I went that way and I've after coming back this way. So that's it, my friends. Welcome to Townley Hall. Well, a big house way up that driveway way up there. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. And I'll see you all in the next video sometime in the future. So take care, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the rant, and I hope not too many people will complain. You have to have an open mind about the whole thing, don't you? Anyway, that's it. Bye.